Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic, a clinic that recently opened up and is ready to go ahead and book your appointments. It's one of the only clinics to offer patients the latest breakthrough in ED treatment, combining radial shockwave and focused shockwave, becoming one of the most comprehensive and effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhart from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hey, thanks for having me. Good to see you.
It's great to see you again. And Andrew, what are some of the statistics of men who actually suffer from ED?
Well, I hate to say this, but there are so many men out there suffering from erectile dysfunction, and 70% of them do not seek treatment, maybe out of embarrassment or because they don't want to take the pill. A lot of couples are suffering as a result.
And this actually is a really serious medical condition. Most of the procedures that are out there and available on the market are actually pretty invasive. What's the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods?
That's right. A lot of invasive procedures. Most men, those start with the pill, maybe go to injections when they get erectile dysfunction. Not any longer. Pineview Medical Clinic has a major medical advancement. It's called acoustic wave therapy. This is clinically backed technology, and here's what it does. It puts out gentle pressure waves that open up and regrow blood vessels. It treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction by improving circulation. No pills, no injections, just more blood flow in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
And that is amazing. It's needle-free, it's surgery-free, and drug-free, right?
That's exactly right. And by the way, all of those things you just mentioned, those treat the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. So you become a prisoner to those, taking those for the rest of your life, whereas this goes to the root cause and there are no chemicals involved.
And what you all do is really backed by a lot of different studies and publications. What are some of those?
That's right. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, we have about 50 third-party studies that have been performed on our technology. Cambridge, one of the biggest hospitals in America, the Cleveland Clinic, have said safe, effective. This has even been called the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction, and that it leads to a clinical increase in blood flow.
And Andrew, we talked about you all being needle-free, surgery-free, and those do really treat the symptoms of ED, not just the root cause, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. One of the main causers, one of the main things that cause erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. That's what our treatments correct. So when the timing is right in the bedroom, the blood can flow naturally.
No pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That really is remarkable, all through this incredible technology. Andrew, give us a breakdown of how this actually works.
The key word is neovascularization. Think of what we do to a muscle in the gym. Agitate it just a little bit and it regrows bigger and stronger. That's essentially what our technology does to the blood vessels. Even though you won't feel it, we are creating neovascularization, more blood vessels, wider blood vessels, and more blood flow in the bedroom.
And I'm definitely adding that word to my vocabulary, neovascularization. Is there any recovery time from this procedure?
There's not. A treatment takes about 10 or 15 minutes. You might need a few of these sessions over a couple of weeks. That's it. That's the whole process. No recovery time, no side effects, and no pain.
I love that. No recovery time, no side effects, and no pain. Do y'all have any special offers for our viewers today, Andrew?
We certainly do. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, if you're ready to regain your love life, call us now. The exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound is free. Plus a gift, you'll love this, it produces immediate results in the bedroom. Now, this is worth hundreds of dollars. Call the number on your screen now. It's all totally free.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much. Jump in on this incredible deal. We'll make sure you have access to how you can find more information out about pineviewmedicalclinic.com on our website at studiostl.tv. Don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show coming back in just a couple of moments.